Hello, Chef here. I got something special to share with you today. Oh, what do we have here? We have this is some red salmon jerky. Look at that. Oh yeah. Red salmon jerky that comes from Alaska, up around the Kenai. And you can't buy this. This is one of these items that's not for sale. I just thought I'd share this with you, how nice it is, and make a little appetizer out of it. This is one of those amazing things that you stumble upon once in a while. And a friend of mine gave it to me. So this salmon here is going to be something special, let me tell you. Now, I'm going to try not to touch it with my fingers, because I don't want it to change or go bad. You know, this stays fresh for quite a while, especially in the refrigerator, but you don't want to handle it too much. I want to show you the color. This beautiful, beautiful fish here. It was dried and cured and dried, and this one has a special glaze on it. Oh yeah. So this one is honey and ginger and pepper and all that good stuff. I'm going to make this into an appetizer. Okay, a real quick tasting here. This salmon is unlike anything I've ever had before. Great flavor, beautiful, perfect pieces, and of course this is the one that's naturally rich in omegas and vitamins, minerals and nutrients. It's naturally red. It gets red from the krill, all the shrimp that it eats, and other little critters in the ocean. I like the fact that it's natural. Okay, I'm going to do a few things with this. And for that, I'm selecting a 6-inch chef knife here. First piece. Yeah, just like that. It's going to be a little bit easier to compose an appetizer out of this. This one here, I'm going to cut into some long strips. Okay, move this off to the side. Before I cut the lemon, I think I'm going to give it a little zest, just on the end here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, now I'm going to cut the end off and do some thin slices here. Plus I need a small piece like this, just for the juice. Okay, for this particular appetizer I've selected some of these multi-grain crackers. These are like the 8-grain or whatever, you know, it's good stuff. It's a nice base. Alright, we're going to put a little bit of cream cheese on each one of these, like this. Cream cheese is the perfect blend for a nice smoked salmon. Yeah. Just a little bit like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, We need a little bit of this fresh basil, and another one of these micro chiffonade here. Let's see, very, very fine. That should be enough. Yeah. Really, really nice. Okay, now these garlic cloves that we toasted. We're going to just put a couple of these on here for flavor. Smells so good. A little bit of this shredded salmon here on each one of these. Squeeze of fresh lemon. Yeah. Gotta have a little lemon there. Slice of tomato. Touch of basil. Slice of tomato. Touch of basil. Slice of tomato. Touch of basil. Okay. Can't forget the lemon zest. Alright, and since I'm serving salmon, a lemon point always looks nice, just for garnish. Okay. Get my plate back here. Okay, so one more little garnish I've got here. A couple pieces of this salmon are going here. Like this. And a couple julienne apple slices just to complement. In a very upscale restaurant, French fusion, this would be a $30 appetizer. Getting a little closer for you here. It's one of these unusual things. You're probably not going to see this again. So please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, share the video with your friends. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Tomatoes, green and red ones. Check it out. Yeah, they're looking really good. Here is a finished mushroom appetizer. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here. Here, so I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in with a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.